Hey guys, welcome back to the channel One to Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your birthday on Viber. So it is very easy. You can just simply hide your birthday on Viber. So I'm going to teach you how to. So just open your Viber app in your mobile. If you have not Viber app, then just go to Play Store or App Store and download it. So now click on the Viber here. So this is the feed that comes in front of you when you open the Viber, and right after that go to More, which is in the bottom right corner. Just click on this and you can see settings here. Just click on the settings and right after that go to second line, privacy. So now here you can see share your birthday. Allow friends to be notified on your birthday. So it's turned on. Just click on this purple sign and it's turned on. So now your friend are not notified on your birthday. So in this way you can just hide your birthday on Viber. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.